Back here on Bryan's 55 Fairlane. I know it's been a while since we've worked on this. We've had the instrument cluster out. It's been to All Valley Instrument, whatever their name is. I'll remember. Getting ready to change the speedo cable. I'm hunting down here. There she is. I gotta unbolt it there and then pull her out. Bryan also mentioned some oil leaks. There's definitely a little bit here at the oil pump. A little on the pan. The power steering control valve is leaking at the hard lines, which I would assume is just the hard line, not the seal here. What else we got? Fun. And there's also an exhaust leak up there. But we're gonna get that out and call it good. Yeah. Yucky. I have the speedo cable pulled out. And of course there's no drive apparatus in there at all. It's intact because it's all in fibrous pieces on my finger. Enjoy.